Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this earbuds. So let's just unbox it. So these are the gaming earbuds in very good price. So my friend recommended me these. So let's just see if there anything else. No. So let's just see. So we got a cover type right here. So which is very good. So the next thing we got here is the wow. So these are the wasp fillers. So you can put these on thumb. Wow, that's actually pretty nice of them to send these. So what is this next? So this is the card they gave us. So let's just get right into it and see what are these. So specifications: game sports K55 are the name of these, and version 5.0, speaker size 6 mm, which is quite good, and the frequency response is 20 to 20 kilohertz, which is okay. Everyone has like these. So you can see, you can pause and read everything. One thing I want to mention here is that the charging time is in 2 hours, which is I think quite good. In 2 hours you can charge these, and the music playing time is 4 hours, which is good, not very good, but it's all right. So as you can see, microphone 6 hours, stereo and everything, as you can see. So they are saying that for if you want to play game, you can play up to 6 hours, and if you want to hear music, you can go up to 4 hours. So it's all right. So as you can see, these are right here. So they look pretty good. So guys, these are the headphones. So let's just pick it up. So again you have USB type C, which is quite good. The body is plastic, but it is very good. So as you can see, these actually look pretty good in my opinion. So the lighting and everything looks pretty good. So I think, which is a good sign. So as you can see, is this a button? No, it's a light. So they actually look pretty good. The quality looks pretty good, and the weight is actually quite heavy. So these are the earphones itself, also look pretty good. So as you can see, I will just focus right there. It looks pretty good. So this is the other one, which also looks almost the same. So let's just check what this is. Maybe some paperwork or something. So this is the user guide right here. So this is the user guide, as you can see. So everything. So let's just see this. Again, I think these are pretty good. This is the extra tips for the headphones, of course, and this is the type C cable. Very small, but everyone gives these type of cables with the earbuds. As you can see, pretty small, I guess. So I will get back to you after checking the sound quality of these. So guys, the sound quality is quite good. I have tested it. Uh, between the price point, I think it is pretty good. The voice is pretty loud, but the bass is not very good. It is normal, but the voice is pretty loud. You can hear everything. Of course, these are gaming, so it will have the gaming thing, which is good. You can tap it 5 times to open the gaming mode, which will be very clear, and the Bluetooth will not lag, but the battery will become little bit less battery life. So that's quite good. But still, I think these are pretty good in the price point, and the the look and everything, the lighting, and these look very beautiful. So I recommend you, if you want to buy these, so I will definitely recommend Bluewow is the company and this is the model. So if you want to buy these, I definitely recommend you. So thank you guys for watching my video and subscribe for more and amazing and latest videos, and peace.